Welcome to Zetar. Our company is located in Shanghai, China. Our main business is thermoforming product manufacturing and mass production of thermoformed products. We also provide mold design and making service. We offer a number of rapid prototyping options that are available to you to help validate form, fit, and function of your future thermoform parts design. This video will show the vacuum forming production process. If you have a thermoforming project that needs to be made, you can contact us.